good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, I am all dressed, and so is Babe. We're all dressed, and so is Tyler. But we ventured out and we just turned back because it's raining cat and dog, and it doesn't make sense we drive. We thought that it wasn't raining so hard just by the look of it, but then when we went out to catch the bus, it was raining like crazy and we were struggling with the stroller and the umbrellas. So we just decided to turn back, and it doesn't make sense we drive because one, parking is super expensive, and two, traffic is going to kill us, even though I wouldn't mind the traffic. But yeah, whatever we wanted to go and do today, I don't think it will happen again, even though it is just after 2 p.m. but it's raining like crazy. I can't see nothing outside. Let me just show you guys what outside is looking like right now to let you have an idea of how much it's raining. Ooh, come through lighting, yes. Wow. So Babe actually just moved the chair because it's wet.
That's because of the,
so that is what outside look like.
well, it's not a hurricane.
It's white, literally, and it's raining hard. You can't see it, but it's raining. It's raining a lot, and we're struggling outside. I had laundry, we had to pull them up close, and it's just raining. It's just a mess outside. Tyler, go back inside, baby. Go back inside. Inside. It's wet. Say wet. Wet. And you will fall. Not only that it's raining, but it's raining with wind. So of course we're going to watch Game of Thrones, and I'm cooking, as a matter of fact. Maybe that's why God let me come back in the house. Now I'm cooking. I am making chicken in the slow cooker. So let me show you guys. I have a whole chicken cooking in here. Let me show you guys a peek. Oh, there it is. Some slow cooking chicken so we can have dinner today and maybe tomorrow from it, because I should be going to church. If it's raining like this, I don't know if I'll be going to church, but if the rain eases up, then we might be able to go to church. So yeah, our day is completely ruined, but we'll take it as a blessing because it's rain. So thank God for the little rain. It's Almighty works. So yeah, though we can't get to do what we have to do today, but we'll get to do it another day. If we come up with anything else that we can go out and do today while we drive, then we'll figure it out. But it basically look like a chill day in day today. Babe, did you say hi to the Febs?
Yeah, I say hi to the Febs.
Ty.
Hi guys, Tyler is making some pizza.
Say hey. Say how are you? Blow them kisses.
I'm making pizza.
You're making pizza?
Yeah, you're making pizza. Pizza. Tyler started talking to it.
Pizza?
It's starting to be a nice moment for the parents in interact.
Oh yeah. Say nom nom numbers.
So Tyler is well dressed and
everybody is well dressed and color coordinated as usual, but hey, it is what it is.
Ici, tu parles ici. Voilà. Bravo. Bravo Tyler. Allez, maintenant on va donner la pizza à manger au petit chat. Voilà, bravo.
You guys, hours later and it's still raining, but it's not as bad as it was raining earlier. Almost finished my chicken. It is so yummy. I take a little piece just now and I just want to continue biting it until it finishes. You guys, you see that? It is so soft. It is so moist. Oh, you guys don't understand how yummy it is. I wish I could share this with all of you. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. Babe and I are watching Game of Thrones and Tyler is playing puzzle. You guys, this boy is so smart. Look at him.
Good job. So we're gonna have a new password.
And all of this, he's going to finish it by himself.
Look. Look. He has to find where it's going. It's crazy. It's going straight to sea. Look, you have the corner. I know exactly where the corner is supposed to go.
I think we officially have a genius on our hands. He is so smart. But on another note, Game of Thrones is lit. No, babe? Game of Thrones. Nice, don't it? I can't stop saying how I have to take back my words from saying I hated it in the beginning. But the beginning was really B-I-S... I can't spell. Was S-H-I-T. The beginning was crap. But since season 4, it's lit all the way. So we just finished watch one episode and gonna watch another. You guys, when I say Game of Thrones is lit, I mean it's lit. Oh my gosh, we watched what, 2 episodes just now? Look at these 2 idiots. Look at these 2. This boy can play. Come catch Papa, come. Come get Papa, go get Papa, go get Papa. You guys, Tyler is wearing underpants, okay? Not brief today, but big boy underpants. His first underpants his grandma bought him.
It fits him well.
It fits him very good. I'm gonna have to buy him some more. You guys, the chicken that I make is so good. Tyler and I have been making trip in the kitchen and picking off piece by piece, piece by piece. So I think it's a little bit early, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and make dinner right away. And look at these 2. Let me go find them. Careful! Go find Papa. Go find Papa. Find Papa. Phone. Where's Papa? Find Papa. The chicken is just falling off the bone so easily. Let me guys show you the chicken. That's it right there. Here, Tyler asking for chicken. What do you want? Chicken? Wait, let me give you a piece. See, Tyler and I have been eating the chicken with every trip we make in the kitchen, so it look like somebody been eating it up. Chicken? Papa. So I'm gonna make some fries and then that's gonna be for dinner. You guys, so that's the outcome of dinner. This is for Tyler, that's Babe, and that's mine. You see how much the chicken is just falling off the bone? Let me show you guys in the pot. It's just falling off the bone like crazy. I'm sure Babe's gonna be happy because you won't have to struggle with the bones. You gonna be happy?
Oh yeah, I'll be happy.
You'll be a happy camper?
I'm not a bone person.
He hates bone. Lord have mercy. But I love my bone and I'm gonna devour these. Anyway, you guys, it's
dinner time.
Yes. When you have a toddler that is potty trained. He wants to pee every second of every day. Oh my god, somebody shoot me already. Come, see Pampers. You wear Pampers to bed. That's what he said. Pampers. Tyler, look. Say bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow. Bye. Give them kisses. Alright. Come bedtime. Night night. Go on. Yeah. He wants water. Go ahead. He can't sleep without his water. Alright, don't drink too much water now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow. I love you. Though our day went completely left because of the rain. You sitting on my foot today.
Yeah, you can't do nothing when it's that rain.
Yeah.
If it was that rain every day, okay, sometimes you have to motivate you and still doing something maybe inside, like outdoor, but indoor, outdoor. But when it's just raining once in the month,
even though we didn't get to go on the road, we still had a good day today. We had so much fun. It's always fun as a kid growing up in Jamaica, where when it's raining, you know we're gonna have fun. We're either going to cook a big pot of soup and we're gonna play indoor games, or we're gonna wrap up under warm cover, and it's just always a good family time.
Winter is coming.
And when you hear the too much Game of Thrones, and when you hear the rain falling on the rooftop in Jamaica, it just gives you that. It just gives you a good feeling that I don't know how to explain. Anyways, so I'm just going to jump straight and give you the Jamaican expression because we're talking about rain. So if you hear a Jamaican say to you, rain a tear out a door, the simple means that it's raining a lot. Don't ask me why we say that, but if somebody say rain a tear out a door, mean it's raining really bad.
Yeah, when I turn up.
You could say that too. Or rain turn up.
What you say? When a tear.
Rain a tear.
Rain a tear.
Out a door.
Out the door.
Yes.
When a tear out the door. Alright.
What's the French word?
Yeah, it's gonna be a word. Well, we're talking about rain. So, well, I guess rain in the word actually is the main word. So rain and wind. So I'm gonna tell you two words: pluie and vent. Pluie is the rain and vent is the wind. So if anybody is watching us from one of these parts of the world with a lot of sea, you can just be safe and thank you for watching us. Okay.
That's true.
Say the two words. Pluie.
Pluie.
Right. And vent.
Vent.
Right. Pluie et vent.
So one means rain and one means wind.
Right.
Yeah, I hope my Florida peeps staying safe. I have family in the St. Martin, and I spoke to one of my auntie in New York, and she said she haven't heard from them since the hurricane. So I really hope that they're okay and no one has been affected too much, but St. Martin get it really bad. So if you guys watching and have family in St. Martin, I hope everybody family is okay, and if by the time you guys watch this it will just have passed Florida. So I hope all my Florida faves is okay and all your families are okay, and wherever these hurricanes are heading next, you guys just be safe. It is what it is. It's nature and we just got to deal with it. So yeah, babe and I are going to continue watch Game of Thrones.
Two more episodes.
Two more episodes before the end of episode 4.
Season 5.
Episode 5. Okay, and we're gonna fit. So that means we're gonna finish episode 5 tonight. You guys is late like crazy. It is so good, we can't stop watching it. And the king is off to bed. King Jon Snow is off to bed. No, King of the North is off to bed. We're watching too much Game of Thrones. King of the North is off to bed, and yeah, we're just gonna watch Game of Thrones. Go ahead and tell you guys thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, because I know you guys love watching, and turn on your notification. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Why are you sleeping?
I'm not sleeping just because this part of my body is hurting me a bit, so I'm just trying to put it on your side to make it better.
So when you put it on me, will be better?
Yeah.
Hilarious. Alright, come on, cuddle baby.
I kiss it.
You feel better?
Kiss the eyes.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Bye guys.